Hey, welcome to the channel. Here in the video, we will share the details for the Xbox 360 error code 0x807B0191. The error reads, "Sorry, your cloud-saved games can't sync right now. Try again later or play without your cloud saves." Before we proceed, we want to let you know that we used AI for the voiceover and some graphics. However, all the information shared has been manually researched and is not AI-generated. As per our research, the error comes when players try to sync their cloud saves. Also, some users mentioned losing access to their saved progress due to this error. According to our research, the error mainly occurs when the Xbox 360 services are down or not responding properly. To deal with the error, the first thing we suggest is to delete your Xbox profile and then re-download it. Then check if this resolves the error. If the error still comes, then try connecting to your mobile hotspot instead of your regular internet. Once connected, if you still get the error, just keep retrying. A few users shared that after a few retries, it eventually worked. So try this and see if the error still comes. At last, if the error still persists, then probably the Xbox 360 services are temporarily down. In this case, wait for a few hours and try again. If the error continues for too long, then we recommend you reach out to Xbox support for further help. That's all for the video. If this video helped, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. Have any questions or issues? Drop them in the comments below. Thank you.